Welcome to EFTM here at IFA in Berlin. Now, it was announced 7 months ago in San Francisco. It was due to be released in the middle of the year, but it didn't go well. Finally, the Samsung Galaxy Fold is in the hands of people here at the Samsung stand in Berlin, but we're going to go upstairs and get a private one-on-one look at the Samsung Galaxy Fold 5G. In all those months, this is the first time we've actually held the phone in our hands, and I've got to be honest, it does feel very strong. The mechanical hinge is quite obvious. It needs to be clicked open, and also it does need two hands to click shut. It's not a one-handed operation device. Very strange to have such a small screen on the front of the phone, to be honest. Not something you'd be used to using, and I can't actually imagine using the front screen too often. You would definitely open up for the full screen experience. Whether it's apps or whether it's streaming would look magnificent. The screen is quite big, though when you're in something like YouTube, this camera notch, if you want to call it that here, can actually impinge on what you're viewing. So it's very small, but you do lose a part of the screen. The Fold is barely noticeable, but in the right light, it will pop out on the darker screen more often than a lighter one like this, but it's kind of like a dent on a car. With the right light, you will see it every time. Overall, it's a very solid device. The changes they've made after the dramas they had have clearly made a difference. You can see them slightly here, and I can't see people making the same mistake with any screen issues. At nearly $3,000, it's going to be the most expensive phone. It won't be for everyone. People will own them just to show off that they have one. Probably not for me. I'm keen to give it a road test, but we'll wait until we see the full pricing for Australia and availability before Christmas.